principles of promixing cream that you should not ignore. Welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So if you're just seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today I want to discuss a very important issue with all of you, okay? Especially if you sell cream, if you make cream, you need to watch this video to the end. But now I'm gonna be telling you, I'm gonna be teaching you the promixing cream principles that you should not ignore. If you know that you promix cream, you sell cream, and your method of making cream is promixing, I'm not trying to condemn promixing, okay? Now for the fact that you're promixing cream does not mean that you're selling bad cream to people, okay? You may be promixing your cream, but you're promixing cream that are organic together. So it is only when you're promixing harsh chemical creams together that, for me, I'm against it. It's bad, it's not good. But when you're promixing good creams together, at least so many companies out there, they are making organic cream that are safe, even for skin whitening. But those cream, they are still safe. So you can actually buy any of this cream and use them as base, add 1 or 2 ingredients or 1 or 2 serums, okay, and promix, and still make out something or product or cream that is still safe for the skin. I hope you get. Now, if you're the type that sells skincare products but you usually promix, see, it's not because I'm always shouting promixing. Let me tell you one thing. I can actually make my base cream on ground. If I make my base cream and I'll promix it into a lotion, or I can use it to promix a cream, or use it to promix face cream, okay? So when it comes to this promixing, it depends on the way you understand it. Some people understand it that you are mixing harsh chemical together, but for me, I don't see it that way. Even when you're saying I'm promixing cream, you can promix organic cream. Why not? If I make my base from scratch and I want to turn it into a lotion, when I need a cream, maybe I need a lotion and I already have a base, I can actually promix it. So will you now say I've promixed harsh chemical? No. I'm gonna be giving you those promixing principles that you need to know in case maybe you're promixing other people's products. You know, my own base cream, I made it from scratch. I know what I included inside. I know the kind of treatment powders I would have included. I know the kind of powders I would have included to fight reaction and all that, okay? But if you're promixing other people's product, probably you're buying another person's base, probably a branded company lotion, and you want to promix it, you want to pour serum or pour whitening powder into it, there are some precautions you have to take, and I'm here to tell you about those precautions. So number one thing you need to put into consideration when you're promixing your cream is for you to include in your anti-reaction tubes cream. So what do I mean by anti-reaction tubes cream? I've actually made a video on this channel talking about those tubes cream that you can use to promix face cream for acne person, or those tube cream you can actually use in making pimples remedy. I talked about anti-reaction tubes for pimples treatment and spots treatment, and I also talk about anti-reaction cream you can actually include into your whitening body lotion when you're promixing your whitening body lotion. So please watch out for that video. You go and watch that video. So now you need your anti-reaction tubes cream. So if you're making face cream, then know that you need to add in those anti-reaction tubes cream I talked about for face, especially your cream like your clean cap, cream like your perfect face, cream like your acne away. You can include it into your face cream. But when you're making your body lotion, you're promixing body lotion or you're promixing body cream, you can add in your cream like NDG, you can add in your cream like Ski Good 3 Better cream, you can add in your 3 Bats, you can add in your Skinil. Okay, this is going to help fight any reaction that may arise from the usage of the cream you're promixing. So put anti-reaction cream into consideration. So now the number 2 principles you have to apply or put into consideration is green veins. So when you're promixing, especially whitening cream, see, if you're always watching out for whitening cream, you want to apply whitening cream, let me tell you, there's nothing that has the good side of it and does not have the bad side of it. If you're doing skin whitening, be sure that there's an extent to which you will do your skin whitening. Your green vein will be visible. God has given everyone green vein, so do not get it twisted. Don't start going about looking for where you buy one green vein oil or one green vein remover oil. Your green vein cannot leave your body because God has given all of us green vein. Now it all depends on how you can control the visibility of that green vein. So when you're doing skin whitening and you've done the skin whitening to an extent that your green vein cannot hide itself again, your green vein will come out. So now when you're Promixing whitening cream, I do encourage that you should add in some ingredients so that they can help with your skin. They can help the collagen of your skin. They can help to firm your skin even while you're doing the whitening. Okay, you can add in collagen ampoules. You can add in collagen ampoules will really help to firm your skin, okay, so that your skin will not be too loose for your green vein to start being visible. And we have other products in the market like your Shenic stage 2. We have other products in the market like your Magic Kenako. We have crude Kenako. If you can get the original. Why I don't talk about crude Kenako again is because anybody can just carry base cream and pour miracle powder and call it crude Kenako for you. So now we don't even know the one that is real crude Kenako and the one that is fake crude Kenako. So that is why I don't usually talk about it. But for you to really be on a safer side, you can use collagen. We have different kind of collagen. We have collagen powder, which is the collagen peptides, which I use in making my organic cream. If I'm making my cream from scratch, I use my collagen peptides. Now collagen peptides is also in liquid, so when you're Promixing cream, you can get collagen peptides liquid and pour into your Promixing cream. Then you will be very sure and rest assured that you're using the pure collagen. Now we also have collagen oil. I once bought this oil. They call it this Russian products. I hope you all know Russian products. They have collagen oil. They have vitamin E oil. They have all this oil in different categories, like different products. So I've once seen collagen oil, and I think their own collagen oil is still a little bit pure. It's still fine. It may not be 100%, but at least it was close to 80-something% or 90-something% collagen content. So you can use collagen oil. You can buy collagen oil from the market, okay? So you can also use collagen ampoules. I hope I've mentioned about the collagen ampoules before. You can actually use collagen ampoules. Then you can also, if you don't have it, you can also incorporate your collagen powder into the cream you're Promixing. That is if you know the usage rates at which you can use it and how you can dissolve it in water before adding it into your cream. For green vein, just follow this method. Follow the procedure I just talked about now. Now another factor to put into consideration when you're actually Promixing your cream that you should not ignore is adding stretch mark preventing products. Okay, now if you want to whiten your skin, there's every chances that you're gonna have green vein and you're gonna have stretch mark, because depending on the level of whitening you want to do and depending on the degree or concentration of the whitening active your cream contains, you are prone to green vein and stretch mark. That is why I usually advise here on my channel that if you're doing skin whitening, do give yourself a break. Give yourself a break and apply glow oil so that your skin can glow and at the same time your skin can look whiter, right? But your skin will glow. Your skin will be rich. There's difference in between having a white skin which is rich and glowing than having a white skin which is wrinkled, dull and not attractive. Okay, so now if you are Promixing a whitening cream, you have to be cautious of green vein and stretch mark. Now when you add in your collagen powder, it also helps fight stretch mark, because what does collagen do to your body? Collagen helps to fight wrinkle, sagging of skin. It helps firm your skin. It helps keep your skin, your epidermis intact, right? Now collagen will help your skin to stay firm so that your skin will not tear off easily. When your skin is firm, intact, it cannot tear off easily now. It can't tear off easily. But when your skin is, when you've bleached your skin so much that your skin has become thick, has become thin rather, your skin can tear easily, your green vein will be visible. So collagen is very, very important, very, 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 very important when you're promixing your cream. So your stretch mark ampoules too, very, very important, as long as you want to prevent stretch mark. Okay, get stretch mark ampoules, add it into your cream. Emu oil is also very good. You know your emu oil, right? Emu oil is very good for stretch mark, so you can also include a little bit of stretch mark, emu oil. Now if you're adding all these ingredients into your promixing cream, there are ways you can add them. Okay, if you know how you can actually work in percentage, that is why I always say, if you know how you can work in percentage, formulate your cream from scratch, promixing is a minor for you. You just have to know how to put all these things in little percentage, so that your whitening cream will see a chance to do the whitening effects you want it to do, right? So now like I said, your stretch mark ampoules, your collagen ampoules, or your collagen oil, or your collagen peptide liquid, or your collagen peptide powder, add them into your promixing cream, so that you'll be very, very safeguarded, so that your skin will be protected. Okay, so another factors that you should not play with, that you should put into consideration when you're promixing cream, adding your penetrators. Okay, we have penetrator enhancers. Okay, I've talked about ozone oil. That one is very, very easy for you to use. We have DMI, but that one may be hard for you to use. But for you that you're doing promixing, ozone oil is very, very easy. It's an oil already, so it's a liquid already, so just add it into your promixing cream. Propylene glycol also is very, very good, so you can add in your propylene glycol. Okay, you can add in your propylene glycol at any percentage of your choice, but be sure that you don't mess up your cream with too much propylene glycol. So you can add in your propylene glycol, you can add in your ozone oil, so that those ingredients will act as your penetrator enhancer. So when you want to promix cream and you really want to promix it safely, you want to do a clean job, you want to promix a cream that is safe, okay, just follow these principles I've mentioned, I've laid down for you. Okay, now another thing you need, again, another factor you need to put into consideration, which are your promixing cream principles that you should not ignore, is your stabilizer. At times when you promix cream, you will see that your cream tend to become more watery because you didn't really gauge the products you're promixing together. So your product can come out very watery. Even if your product did not come out watery, when you finish promixing at time, your cream can separate. So for you to avoid this, you can stabilize your cream. Use any good stabilizer. We have egg, okay, we have carboma, we have xanthogum. So you can use all this to stabilize your cream, so that they don't separate, okay, so that they don't change viscosity later. Okay, especially for those of you that are selling, that will have to keep the cream on your shelf. So please be sure to use your stabilizers, your thickness, okay, when you're actually working with your cream, except you know that the base cream you're using is very thick. But when you know that the base cream you're using is not thick, okay, just add in stabilizer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like seriously, if you want more of this, just tell me. Right on, tell me you want more of this, then I'm gonna do more of this. Like if you want more of promixing video, you want me to do live video, promixing video, just let me know in the commenting section below. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video in advance. Thank you so much. Okay, see you in my next video, and do not forget our promixing class is ongoing. So if you know you still want to register for the class, just send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. Bye.